A NAS is great. It's your own personal cloud, massive storage, everything synced. It's perfect, until it isn't. When you hit delete on the wrong folder, or a firmware update goes sideways, that sense of security turns into pure panic. But before you grab a screwdriver and start tearing your NAS apart, wait, there's a much cleaner way to do this. Today, I'm showing you how to rescue your data directly over the network. No disk removal, no hardware mess. Let's dive in. So why did things go wrong? The most common causes include accidental deletion or formatting, firmware updates gone wrong, sudden power outages, drive failures, or file system corruption. And here's the thing, even a solid RAID setup isn't bulletproof. It protects you from drive failure, but it won't save you from a software glitch. The good news is that in most cases, your data is still there. Your NAS just forgot how to find it. So, rule number 1, stop. Stop writing new data, and if you can, just disconnect it from the network or power it down safely to prevent any further changes. Next, if you're not familiar with hardware operation, here's a smarter method that doesn't require you to remove the hard drive or open the NAS case. In this case, you can use Tenorshare 4 DDIG data recovery for situations like this. What makes it different is that it talks to your NAS over the network. Whether you're rocking a Synology, QNAP, or Western Digital, it can bridge that gap and start scanning without you ever touching the hardware. Here's exactly how to do it. First, launch 4DDIG on your PC and select the NAS data recovery mode. Click Connect NAS. The software will automatically search for NAS devices on your local network. If your device shows up, just click Connect. If it doesn't appear, choose Connect manually and enter your NAS details: the IP address, port number, username, and password. Once connected, you'll see all the available folders and volumes on your NAS. Select the location where your important files are stored and start the scan. After the scan completes, you can preview the recoverable files, photos, documents, videos, whatever you lost. Use the filter or search to find them quickly. When you're ready, select the files you want and click Recover. Always save the recovered files to a different safe location on your computer or another external drive, never back to the original NAS path. This prevents any risk of overwriting the remaining data. Once your files are safely recovered, you can then decide whether to repair or rebuild your NAS setup with confidence. If you're dealing with data loss on your NAS right now, I highly recommend trying this method as soon as possible. By the way, for my YouTube viewers, there's a special offer. Click the link in the comment section below to get 3 days of free use. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.